guys, so it's now we're on our way home. So we're checking in already. So our original flight was Asiana, but our flight got cancelled, so we were transferred to Korean Air. So our time,
In fairness, ang Asiana naman ang nag-ayos.
they were the ones who fixed it since na-cancel nga yung original flight. Our flight is at 2 o'clock today, and we left the hotel at 10. We arrived around 11:15, and it's now 11:35, and then the counters just opened. So tamang-tama lang yung dating namin. So kami na yung next, and then we'll just go around the airport later, have lunch, and then go inside. Bali yung check-in namin naging from 4 naging 5. Nadagdagan. So now,
Tingnan natin kung may plastic sila or wala.
pero may dala ka, di ba?
Oo.
Sige, lagyan na natin yung gamit natin. Later. Hi guys, so we've gone through immigration already and we're inside the departure area. So may mga tindahan. Meron din palang mga pasalubong section dun sa labas. I bought... Oh, cute! Gusto mo pa rin ng stuffed toy?
Yeah.
How much is it? Is the wings moving?
But this one is the ears. Ah, that hurt.
Ito, maliliit. No?
Hey, Tamagotchi.
Tamagotchi. Mga gacha. We're gonna look for food. Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa airplane in Korean Air. So ang configuration niya is 333.
Oil. Jiggle bird, jiggle bird, jiggle.
So there's a TV, there's a charging port, and yung mga bata, pinakipakita mo yung binigay sa inyo. Binigyan sila ng ano yan, airplane, 3D, and then headphone. Ano yan? 3D airplane craft. To keep them busy. Ayan. So sila daddy nandito sa likod. Ayan. And then may pillow. Wala lang blanket.
I want to watch a guitar.
Okay. Hi guys, so here's the meal. They already serve meals here in Korean Air from Sapporo to Incheon. So they serve beef. Hi guys, so they have already served meals. So they serve beef. Here's the meal from Sapporo to Incheon. And then there is sweet potato almond salad, pineapple, and bread. And beef. I ordered juice. They serve orange juice and soft drinks. So rice yung sinurf. Masarap naman siya.
Now we're in Korea.
Hi guys, we're now in Incheon for our connecting flight to Cebu in Korea.
2 hours.
In 2 hours, our next flight. So we're just going to our transfer.
Ice cream.
Maybe while
Maybe?
waiting, we'll just look around for a bit since we're just gonna go to our gate
Can I go?
and look for the transfer desk before we look around. So ito yung Incheon Airport. It's so big. Always, as usual, it's nicer. Lagi naman mas nicer sa Pilipinas compared sa ibang lugar. Any other place is nicer. Ayan. So let's go. Go to our transfer desk. Lahat ng may walkalator. So guys, to be able to transfer to Terminal 1, we need to ride the train. Buti pa sila pag transfer ng ibang terminal, may train connection. So parating na yung train.
So 2 stops there. Oh, you have to change trains. Read it.
Isang lipat lang tayo to Terminal 1.
We have to stop 1 and then change trains.
Tayo, paglilipat tayo sa ibang airport, lalabas tayo sa labas.
Taxi ka.
Magbabas, tapos traffic. Sasakay na tayo sa train. Transferring. So, palabasin muna daw yung kabila. Mga lumipat ng terminal. And then, saka siya mag-open.
The door opens automatically. Please wait.
Train runs every 5 minutes.
门很快会自动打开，请不要触碰门，谢谢。まもなくドアが開きます。
Tagal naman.
自動ドアです。
So yan, pagbaba ng train guys, kailangan i-ready yung passport to scan it there in the machine. And then we're going to transfer here again to the gates. Ang gate natin is, anong gate natin, Res? Ay, check pa. Pero this is going to the gates. Oh no, this... Dali, i-check natin yung ano natin. We are... Check muna natin yung gates.
Hindi, sakay na lang nila. Hindi pa nagre-reflect yan.
Because this is Terminal 1.
To Cebu. To Cebu. Ayun.
Panglaw.
Jeju area eh. Wala. Okay, wala pa. So, lipat na lang tayo. Doon na lang natin tingnan. Okay, you need to transfer here. Alakal, come on! Pila. So guys, dire-diretso lang. Hanapin nyo lang yung transfers. So doon, may gap for immigration. But don't go there. Go to the transfers. If you have a connecting flight. So I think, meron pa tayong x-ray before we can go to the gate
1 hour left.
for departure.
30 minutes.
Ang laki.
Wait, now we have
So if ang flight nyo is 30 minutes apart lang, ang
1 hour.
connecting, hindi kayo abot guys, ang layo. So yan, mag-aano tayo, x-ray. Sige, later na ulit. Guys, nagutom ang mga bagets. So we're gonna find food. Meron food po park dito sa second floor. Sa taas. Sa may near our gate. So hanap muna tayo ng makakain. Baka gusto raw nila ng Korean food. Korean food, akala mo naman mahilig sila sa maanghang. Ay, parang gusto ko ito yung spaghetti. Matry nga yan. Saan ba?
Wala man table.
Guys, we're having Korean food for dinner. So the kids are having burger, sila Rhea nuggets, and Raquel nuggets with rice. Si Daddy, ano ba yan?
I do spicy, Mama.
Minced beef. Ayan. So kain muna tayo guys. Ay, yung akin wala pa. Water? We have water from Aya.
Give me
Okay, Daddy.